Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Hello.
Hello. So my name is Louis. My stage name is Wicko. I'm from the UK, and I've been beatboxing for about 7 years. But only doing it professionally for about the last year.
Okay, that's really cool.
Okay. Right. Okay. Running up a hill you can't see over. All the gravel standing at your feet. Miss the way you see me when you're sober. Miss you saw the middle where we meet. 'Cause we don't need words to say what we say. And I hope that you'll be okay one day. Don't need the fire from your messiah. Your fire, messiah. Your messiah, beard order, 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 I don't want to profile gold. I want to be the profile gold. The Trump, your messiah. Doing the property, oh, property, your fire, your messiah.
What's happening today, guys? The musicality is on fire today. I'm so excited. Like, it was really, really dope. Thank you, Wicko. And for how long time have you been beatboxing?
So I've
You told me like
7 years. I'm beatboxing
7 years. And 1 year of one professional year.
Yes. So 1 year doing gigs and stuff like that.
That's really, really dope. Okay, that's cool. I love their melody. You definitely tell us a story, so we're going back on that because it's really cool. And it's one of the subjects of the day, so it's really dope.
Running up a hill you can't see over. All the gravel standing at your feet. Miss the way you see me when you're sober. Miss you saw the middle where we meet. 'Cause we don't need words to say what we say. And I hope that you'll be okay one day. Burning the fire, warm your messiah. Need the fire, warm your messiah. Your messiah, ha! Beard order, beard order, beard order, beard order, cold on beard order, beard order, beard order, beard on cold on beard order, beard order, beard order, beard on cold on beard order, beard order, beard so messiah, we need guilt, power, more girl power, girl power going with a little bit of bass. Need the fire, warm your messiah.
Oh la la! Oh la la la! It was really, really cool. Oh my god! Yeah! Scott Jackson in the place. Okay, so it was really really dope because again you as Lady Angel, you were able to keep the eye contact. It's really hard, and you were able to bring some flexibility. So it's really cool. And your beat was actually when you focus on some things with your body and all this stuff. Actually, your beat gets the quality of the beat gets lower, and yours actually improved. So I was like, okay. So it's actually like I could feel that you were like how to say, you were not feeling stuck. You were not. You were less stuck. I don't have the name, but you were like more feeling free.
Yeah, I understand.
Am I right?
Yeah, I understand. That's fine.
Okay. And so yeah, that's a thing. And one thing that I want you to remember, if we have time to do a third time, it would be the energy. You do a lot of huge good drops and really clean and tight, and you for that, because you do drops, you do a lot of build-ups. Well, you don't need to do always build it so when you do a drop, but most of the people normally do, and it's normal. So when you do your build up, just like feel it. It's keep the try to rise the energy, because that's why in a music beat you always you not always English. You have like most of the times you have a build up. Because it just like takes the energy, and when you explode, everyone explodes. Because you're like trying to accelerate people's heart rate. So it's what you want to do with us. So when you're doing it, just be like, so I don't know, an idea. Okay, this is the worst build up I ever did, but okay. You see? Like even me, I was like, okay, I don't want to stop.
Yeah.
So this is definitely something that you should do. That it will help you out a lot. Because actually, like as you saw, even just communicate and trying to connect more with people, it actually gave you some more energy and calorie in your beats. So if you you're someone that needs, if you exteriorize, oh my god, just
Exteriorize.
thank you. If you just exteriorize your own emotions and energy at this time, it's the best thing you can do. And so yeah, congrats.